I was here.
I was here. Oh my God! Oh my
Let's find
God!
out if SBI can actually see the future. 18. Prepare your questions or just ask any advice under the sun. I'm sure the seers here will answer your question. Okay, before we start, let us know a little more about these seers. Seer on the right. Raise your hand.
Pablo Reyes.
Please introduce yourself and what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is bowling. See that? The synergy between Among Us is very good. And my name is bowling.
Alright, nice to know your name is Seer Bowling. Now, the seer on the left, raise your hand. Please introduce yourself and let us know what is your favorite color.
My name is Trapdoor. And my hobby. My favorite food. My favorite color. And my favorite color is black.
Alright, thank you. Let me call you Trapdoor Seer, correct?
Yes.
Okay, Trapdoor Seer. Now, 18, it's your turn to ask questions to our seers tonight. Please raise your hand and one of our ushers will come right up and give you a microphone to ask any question or advice. Let me see those hands. There.
Here, use this.
We have a lucky winner. 18, what is your name?
That's E-Games!
E-Games po, from
Games.
Hello.
Games.
Let us see what is your question or what advice you would like to get from the seers.
Paano ko po masisingil yung may utang sa
Alright. Her question is, paano daw niya masisingil yung utang, yung debts from any of her friends? Let's start with the seer. What's your name? Sorry.
Bowling.
Seer on the right. Okay.
Bowling.
Bowling. Yes. Thank you.
Bowling. Mangutang ka rin sa kanya. Bowling.
What a beautiful answer. Now, Trapdoor Seer will give us the answer.
Trapdoor. Sabi niya. You English are
Patay.
Easy.
No, because like I wanna give a really honest advice to her. So
Go, Chapter. Go, Chapter.
give me some time, bro. Give me some time.
We are contacting our ancestors.
Can we change our answer?
Video.
Okay, Tagalog.
Yes, tama ka naman. Hirap na kami dito.
Ulit. Ikaw
Ay,
mabuting
nilalang.
kaya
Tutukan
mo
sa
bulsa
niya. Trapdoor.
trapdoor. You should be relentless.
Alright. Sige.
Sana may nakuha kang advice.
Of course. Thank you. Is that sufficient advice for you? I guess so.
I
Now,
think so.
for our next question. There, I think we have someone in the front. There. Raise your hands, please, so Miss B can see you. There you go.
What is your name?
What is
Moni.
What is your question or advice you would like to know?
If you want a blue passport, sinong papakasalan ko sa inyong lima?
Okay. The question is, if you would like a blue passport, who would you marry among you five? All right. Bowling seer first. Ready and
Matibay.
Okay. Now,
Kami.
all right. Now we would like the answer of Trapdoor Seer. What is your answer?
Trapdoor.
magkano
Ba
ang
pera
mo?
Trapdoor.
That's a trapdoor. That's a one.
All right. I think we have another question from the 18. Leia, where are you? Can I see you there? Stay audience left. There.
Use the nightstick.
What is your name?
Jason.
Jason, what is your question?
Question. Anong masarap iluto para sa taong mahal mo?
Wow.
That's a good one.
All right, bowling seer, go. Okay, sige.
Bakal na.
Si Trapdoor Seer muna ang sasagot.
Nagreklamo?
So, ayun. Trapdoor Seer, what is your answer?
Trapdoor.
Pakuluan
Mo
ang
niluto
mong
nilaga
at
basta
sweet
ang luto.
mo.
Yeah.
Trapdoor.
All right, bowling Stern, what is your answer?
Bowling. Tandaan
Mo na
mas
masarap ka.
minasalit namin dito.
I think we are in for our last question. And to challenge the seers, we shall transform and combine them. So, combined seer, please introduce yourself and what is your favorite clothing?
Streetwear.
Okay. Sorry pa.
My
Favorite.
clothing
Is streetwear.
Okay na, streetwear.
Okay, streetwear seer. Now we are ready for a question. Where are you? Where? There you are. What is your name?
Tina,
Hello, Tina. What is your question?
my question is, how much does SB19 love US 18, West Coast 18, and all the 18s here in California?
Okay. Streetwear seer. What is your answer?
Why?
You.
Here. That's not
Me. Streetwear.
Walang sagot.
Thank you. Streetwear seer. I hope that satisfies your answer.
One more. No, one more.
Okay, I think we have another question. One last question, I think.
alright.
Any hand will do. There you go.
Napakahirap pala na ito.
You're doing great, guys. You're doing great. What is your name, AT?
Liz,
Liz, hello. What is your question?
Happy
birthday.
Hey, happy birthday.
To you. Yeah.
All right, guys. What is your question?
question nga din.
Advice or question on your birthday. What is your advice for your birthday? Come on, what question?
My question is, so anong gagawin mo kung niloko ka ng mahal mo?
Oh.
May hugot.
Okay, streetwear seer. What is your answer?
Mabigat, bigat.
Palagi tatandaan na tawagin ang best friend mo mapagmahal at
Bahala.
kayong dalawa
Na.
kulamin
Ano? Kulamin.
Na.
Kulamin lang.
sabay yung
Ex.
mo.
Streetwear. Ah.
Thank you so much, streetwear seer. Now I have one last question. What can you say about the audience here today and the 80? Your last advice to them.
Streetwear.
18, we love you. me.
Pinahirapan.
So, always forgive. The bad memories and loving memories ba?
Kulit.
Wait. Yeah.
Streetwear.
Thank you so much, boys, for that, and that was Seer.